Today I'm building a car. My mom got it so that we can give it away to a family in need. And it looks really cool. Step 13 of the instructions is to connect this wire into this node of the battery, which completes the circuit and allows the car to actually run. Now the issue with this, it's not terrible because it means you aren't playing with live wire the whole time you're assembling it. But the issue is, it means that this right here, that metal that you can see between this and this, is exposed wiring. There's current running through that. Probably not a super strong current, but I still don't like to play with that kind of thing, so I'm covering it with electrical tape. This will insulate it. It means even if a curious kid or something comes around playing here, they won't be able to poke that, at least without taking this off. And that's the best I can do. I'm gonna cover it with 2 pieces. This stuff isn't very sticky, but it doesn't need to be because it's obvious what it's doing. Well, it's obvious to me what it's doing. It might not be obvious to someone else. But at the very least, now you can't touch it. And that's good. It'll also keep that from coming off, which it's on there pretty well, but not like insanely well. Back to the main part of the video. I wish it were bigger so I could write it. I'm gonna write it anyway.
Are you actually?
Mwah, ha, 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 ha. It's on. This is the police. Come out with your hands in the air.
Well, that's actually some good music.
Yeah.
Just say it plays music.
Yeah, we're just gonna say it plays music.
Say it, but I
It has a tiny radio. I was hoping from the minute I saw this tiny radio that it played music.
That's crazy. It's so good.
Who wanted to cross the river.
It's also got books! The car is assembled. Here is the list of its features. First, it's got this, which you can talk into, and it will play sound out of its speakers. And then it's got 6 songs, as well as 6 short stories it can tell. All the songs are clean. One of them is Let It Go from Frozen. Don't know how they got the rights to that, but presumably they did. And the stories seem to be pretty good stories with morals. And then it's got, you can turn on the headlights. I don't know if you can see that. Let's check. You can't. Let's move you. Boom, headlights. It's also got a mode where the headlights flash, which is fun. Turn those off. Don't want to drain the battery. And then you can put it into reverse or drive because it's only got 1 pedal, not even a brake. But it doesn't go fast enough for that to be an issue. So it's got 3 speed options ranging from pretty slow, nice and relaxing, all the way up to, about as fast as a toddler can run. So still pretty slow. And it's decently loud. The electric motor is far from quiet. But I wouldn't call it super loud. Not a house toy, but not something I think will bother people outside. And then it's got 1 final button on the control itself, which is a little rocking horse button that makes it do this. I don't know what use case it has, but it has the button. So, thumbs up.
And also, it has a little lock for the door, a plastic lock.
Oh yeah, the doors have little physical locks on them that kids can twist to lock and unlock them.
Might make them feel a little safer.
Oh, and of course, the most important feature of any car,
The seat
a seatbelt. The trunk doesn't open, the front doesn't open, the battery is stored under the seat. I don't think it's a safety hazard because it's just a tiny little battery. What was that sound? I think we're being haunted by a horror movie monster, so we're gonna have to end it there.
Before we get mauled.
See you next time. Oh, make sure to buy it in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. I don't know if we're uploading on YouTube.
Bye bye.